like to start off by grating in some fresh orange zest into my all-purpose flour. This isn't going to make the waffles taste like lemon loaf or anything. It's just going to help brighten up the whole taste palette, and it tastes so good. It's a secret ingredient. You don't want to skip this. You can use any orange that you have on hand, whether you have clementines, mandarins, or tangerines. You don't have to go to the supermarket and get this exact one. And then in no specific order at all, you can start adding in the other ingredients. Maybe you can start with the dry ingredients or the wet ingredients. It's really up to you. Add it all in, make sure it's combined well, and then just be sure to add in the blueberries last so you don't risk squishing them all up. Once your batter is all combined, you can let it sit aside for about 5 to 10 minutes and then pour it into your waffle iron. Make sure to read your waffle iron instructions because all waffle irons are a little different. It took me a couple weeks to get used to my iron, but I really like it. This is the Volcano waffle iron. I believe it's from Kitchen Stuff Plus. You can even make your waffles the night before and then freeze them and then just stick them in a toaster oven before you serve them, and then arrange them onto a charcuterie board or any sort of tray that you have in any way you want and make it look pretty. I served these waffles with some more fresh berries, some whipped cream, maple syrup, and a little bit of spiraled bacon. Moving on to the parfaits. All you need is some prepared pudding. Don't use the ready-made pudding. Go get the mix, make it yourself, let it sit in the fridge, and then combine some Cool Whipped or heavy whipping cream into it and put it into a piping bag so we can assemble the parfaits. For the parfaits, you need some clear glasses so you can show how beautiful they are. Some crumbled vanilla pound cake. Use your favorite vanilla cake, whether it's birthday cake or confetti cake or cupcakes. Just use whatever you can find. You're also going to top it with some fresh cut strawberries, and you're going to need Biscoff cookies or even graham crackers. Crumble them up so you have a little bit of a crunch to your parfaits, and then layer that with your whipped topping as well. You can even make these in itty bitty shot glasses. You can buy parfait cups. You can get disposable wine glasses. Anything clear will look beautiful. And this can also stay in your fridge for a couple days before you actually serve it. And here's everything you need for my makeshift potato hash. I just use whatever I have on hand. This recipe changes all the time. Use your favorite spices, about a teaspoon or so of each. I'm using a russet potato, some bell pepper I have left over, a white onion, salt, olive oil, cilantro to garnish, and I'm going to grate in some garlic at the end. I like to let my potatoes cook up in some olive oil, steam, and then I add in all the other ingredients. I absolutely love these DIY crates for tablescaping any event, especially Mother's Day. They're so inexpensive and versatile, and I love these galvanized buckets that I got from the dollar store for $3 a bucket, and I just stacked that on top of another crate, filled it with some ice, some orange juice, and my favorite bubbly champagne for some mimosas, or for Mother's Day, momosas. And that's it, you guys. This was the final spread. My mom absolutely loved it. I hope you guys were able to get some ideas from this and you can recreate something similar. I have a gift guide in the description below for all sorts of budgets that your moms will absolutely love. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.